Hello everyone, welcome back. So this particular topic is going to be on finding out the maximum element in a list using max method. One of the simplest method is the max method. No logical thinking is required here. Okay, it's very easy. So I'll teach you how to write a Python code in order to find out the maximum element in a list using max method. Okay, it's very simple. I'll use the same. The previous two videos I had posted related to maximum element in a list. One is without using inbuilt function. The other one is using sort method. Now I'll teach you using max method. Okay, I'll use the same example here which I used in my previous two videos. Okay, 20, I'll have 20, 10, 34, 65 and 12. Okay, I'll take this example. It is 10. Okay, once after taking this example, see this line, it's print. I'm printing the maximum element in list is equal to, I'll write equal to anything. It is just interactive output only. Now I'm calling max function followed by, I'm just passing the list as a parameter to max method. That's it. That's all. Just max. This is inbuilt function. Okay, so max, and what is the parameter? Only one argument passing. What is that? It is the list. Okay, now let's check the output. Maximum element is 65. Suppose if I change 100 here in my input, run, it's 100. So max method followed by the argument that I pass. That's it. This is a simple syntax where we can easily find out the maximum element in the list. Okay, thank you.